Right, this is Sir Walter Scott 60143. It's a Bachmann Loco. It comes in a set with a class 40 and the number is 30-090. Couple of points I want to make is that it has no power pickups in the tender and the tender comes off fairly easily. And another point is it's a 462 and the rear bogies, you need to make sure they're on the track properly because they are not floaters. What I've done is I've tarted it up a bit. I bought some nameplates for it. I've put some men in it. I've painted the inside of the cab with a little bit of paint and I've put a spade on top. The actual real Loco was constructed in 1949. It's a class A1 and basically it finished in 1963. And withdrawal came in 64 and it was scrapped sometime after that. A Draper in Hull actually scrapped the Locomotive, but I think it runs well for an old Bachmann Locomotive. It does struggle for some reason on one left hand corner. I don't know why, because everything else goes around it and there's no power, there's no lack of power there, so I don't know. As you're probably aware, with 00 scale, the margins are finite, so maybe a millimetre movement on one of the wheels, I don't know, one of the wheels isn't picking up properly, I don't know. But on the whole, I think it's a pretty good Loco, and I'll show you it running. Right, as you know, all my tests are honest, and after having a good look at this point, it was just knackered. Well, I've run trains so much, and I'll show you. I haven't got a video of this stopping, but I can show you it going through it without a problem. And you can see that it's just pure silk. And I go back, and it was just stopping about there. You couldn't even go at this speed, it would just stop. And you can see, still a little bit, but at normal speeds. It's pretty smooth. And that is perfect. I'll do the point the other way. Just wouldn't do it. But you look at this is silk, which it wasn't before, it would just stop. So that's that sorted out. Here comes Sir Walter. And here comes Sir Walter around the point that there was an issue with. Bear in mind this Loco has no power pickups in the tender. There's Sir Walter. uses a tight radius 2 onto a curved point, tightest part of the track. And here comes Sir Walter. As you realise by now, my tests are thorough and the trains run around in both directions. And you can see this on the whole runs pretty well. And you can see it's pulling a freight train, no problem at all. Going backwards has no problem at all with these points. Sir Walter leaving the station. Here is Sir Walter going into the station. Another view. And here is Sir Walter leaving the station. Going through a variety of points. And bear in mind these are Insel Frog points and Sir Walter has no pickups in the tender. Comes Sir Walter. There goes Sir Walter. And here's a piece of track that Sir Walter would get stuck on his own until I change the curve point. And you look at it now, oh, it's just so smooth. And to finish off, here is Sir Walter at the station. I think it's a fantastic old loco from Bachmann, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing it run.